Around the world, water is one of our most precious resources. Yet across Africa and Asia, millions of people still live without access to safe, clean water. Water utilities are facing an urgent crisis. But the issue isn't always scarcity. In many cities, nearly half of all treated water is lost before it even reaches homes, wasted through aging infrastructure, leaking pipes, and theft. In some places, the numbers are staggering. Cities like Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, and Ankara, Turkey lose as much as 70 to 80% of their public water supply. Meet extreme endeavors, born on the ice plateaus of Antarctica. Forged in some of the planet's harshest conditions, our technology has evolved to tackle the world's toughest infrastructure challenges. Today, that same innovation powers the most advanced automation for water systems on Earth. We don't just monitor water, we redefine how utilities manage every drop, from source to tap. Our systems automate cleaning processes for unmatched efficiency and precision, control pumps to keep operations smooth and energy smart, maintain tank levels perfectly between the yellow lines. And when levels cross the red lines, instant alerts are sent, ensuring you're always connected, always in control. Extreme endeavors, innovation that benefits people, humanity, and community. Our cloud-based Emacs software gives you complete visibility of your entire system, all at a glance. The interface is clean, intuitive, and designed to keep your focus on what really matters. We've developed a unique process for building our user interfaces. It starts with a rough sketch of your system, which we bring into Unreal Engine, the same powerful technology used in high-end engineering projects. From there, we create custom 2D and 3D elements that bring your system to life, resulting in a world-class, fully tailored user interface made just for you. And the best part, because Emacs is web-based, you can access it anytime, anywhere, from any device, with an internet connection. Why is Extreme Endeavors automation so flexible, powerful, and reliable? Because it was born from real-world challenges, from the depths of Hellhole Cave to projects with NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. Every detail of our system was engineered through hands-on experience in the most demanding environments imaginable. At the core of our automation system is the single node, the workhorse that monitors and controls virtually any sensor or device. It connects to an intuitive online configuration utility and automatically sets itself up. No ladder logic, no complicated programming. Just smart, seamless control, with more features than nearly any other hardware on the market. The iPack Power Monitoring System ensures your pumps, valves, and infrastructure receive the correct power. It automatically protects your equipment by shutting it down when irregularities are detected, preventing costly damage before it happens. Our vibration monitor continuously tracks the condition of your pumps, allowing you to plan maintenance and avoid unexpected failures. And our acoustical monitor listens for sound changes within your water pipes, providing an advanced solution for leak detection and system health. These are just a few examples of the innovation built into Extreme Endeavors' automation system. There's far more under the hood, too much to fit into one video. Extreme Endeavors, engineering solutions where others can't. Extreme Endeavors, innovation that benefits people, humanity, and community.